Hi friends, and today I am filming this video at the speed of lightning because I just got my new Glaminatrix parcel in the mail. Here we have the You Beauty palette, and I have to film with this because I'm so excited, and also they just did a restock which will be the final restock. So I'm getting this out as soon as I can to show you guys just how beautiful this palette is if you're thinking about getting it, and also if you are just getting it like I am, we can do our first look together. So let's get right into it. So we're gonna jump in, and I'm thinking I wanna do something a bit more wearable because I'm a neutral girl. So we're gonna jump straight in with this beautiful little green shade. And as you can see, I've done my face makeup first, so I'm hoping there's no fallout. On my eyelids is just some concealer. And this green shade, we're gonna tap on the lid on the inner third. Oh, this color is so beautiful. I felt like I had to get this palette as a citizen of Australia. I just had to get it. How could I not get this? It represents Australia, so of course I had to get it. And I was so glad I did. Glaminatrix is quickly becoming one of my favorite brands. Spoiler alert, I will be doing a video on this palette very soon. I love this palette. I cannot explain to you how much this palette means to me. I used this palette on my wedding day. Okay, that's how you know it's real. So keep an eye out, subscribe if you want to see me use this, because I'm gonna film that soon. But back to the You Beauty palette. We're popping this on that inner third and also buffing it a little bit into the crease. Isn't that so beautiful? It can be so wearable, which I absolutely love. Next, I'm gonna go into the shade She'll Be Right, and we're gonna tap this on the outer corner of the eye and blend it up into that crease. So we're gonna have a negative space in the middle of the lid. How beautiful is this color? They're sort of muted tones, and I think they're so pretty. These colors actually go really well together. Look at that, that actually looks really good. I wasn't expecting it to look as good together as it does. I was a bit worried it would be too colorful and too in your face, but this is actually pretty cool. How good is that? Next, we're going in with the shade Struth. This is like a beautiful mustardy yellow, and we're gonna pop this shade right in the top crease part there to connect those two shades together. Can you guys see that? Oh my gosh, I love how this is turning out already. It's so soft. I have to wear this on the soccer field tonight, so I just wanna look fabulous. And I think I'm getting there. I would love to know if you guys have picked up this palette yet, because it's a pretty old palette, but it is new to me. Like I said, just got it yesterday. Look how it's blending in with that purple. It's so pretty. So I'm gonna just hop back in to the shades that are surrounding it and buff that in as well, just so it all blends in seamlessly. Oh my gosh, this is so fun. Back in with She'll Be Right. And we still have the smallest amount of negative space on our lids. With that, oh my gosh, I was just honestly gonna just use one or two colors and that was it, but I am so glad I'm stepping out of my comfort zone and trying something a little bit different, but I still think this is wearable, 100%. All right, next up, let's just add another matte. Why not? We're now gonna jump into Stitch Up. We're gonna be putting Stitch Up on that very outer corner, just the smallest amount, just to add some depth and dimension. That's about it really. I think that's it. We're just gonna work with that. These mattes are so nice, and Glaminatrix Cosmetics just sneak peeked a new palette that they're releasing soon. I'm so excited. Oh my god, should I get it? I don't know. I don't know if I should get it. I'm very tempted, I will tell you that. That's it, that's all we need. Don't want to be doing too much. Wow, how good is that? What do you guys think of that so far? You should try this look out. Grab this palette if you have it and try this out. Next up, now it's gonna get to the fun bit. We're gonna grab Flaming Galah. This shade is insane. So of course I have to use it. And I'm gonna begin by tapping it gently on the lid. Insane color, look at that. Craziness. So on where we have that negative space on the middle of our lid, I'm just gonna tap it. Oh my gosh, look at that. Can you guys see that? Can you see that? That's crazy. Look at that beautifulness. I am shocked. This is magical. Okay, so now we've put majority of that on the center of the lid. I'm gonna take another finger, a clean finger, and I'm just going to pat the edges just to move some of the glitter and the shimmer around. Look at that, that is beautiful. Oh, I love it. Just to diffuse it a little bit, because we are trying to make this a bit more wearable. Oh my God, that is insane. I guarantee you someone will compliment my eyeshadow tonight. I just know it, because this is crazy. Oh my gosh, I love this. I'm shocked at how good this is. I'm shocked. And to think I almost didn't buy this. I literally just bought it because I was having a bad day and needed some retail therapy. And was like, I can't miss out on this. I'm Australian, I need this. And here we are. I feel like a princess. Grabbing a very small, thin, squared off brush, grabbing this small brush, I'm going to go back in with Stitch Up, and we're going to put that very close to the lash line just to deepen it up, make my lashes appear a little thicker. It will also soften the look just a little bit. Wow, this Flaming Glass shade. Glaminatrix Cosmetics is seriously so underrated. They are so underrated, I can't even. Their shadow quality is next level, 100%. I'm so glad that we have been able to create a really beautiful wearable look. I don't feel like this is too much. I think this is just enough. Bottom lash line. We cannot forget the bottom lash line. I think we're just gonna keep it simple. I'm gonna go back in with the shade She'll Be Right. She'll Be Right. I feel so Australian saying some of these things. Going in with She'll Be Right. We're gonna put this on the bottom lash line. That looks so magical. I cannot believe it. Tell me how great this look is. Just tell me. If you don't think it looks great, don't tell me. I don't need to know. Just tell me how good it is, okay? I do want an inner corner, but I don't think any of these shadows will give it to me. So I will be using just my highlighter that I used for today on that inner corner, just to give me a pop, you know? All right, so let's use my highlighter. This is the good old Kylie Cosmetics highlighter, the very first one that she came out with. And I'm just gonna pop that on that inner corner. Yeah, that's good. Just a little something. For the waterline, I'm just using a white cream gel liner from Colourpop. Oh my God, I missed. Story of my life. Oh my God. She'll Be Right. See that? She'll Be Right. Wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. And now I'm just highlighting my top waterline, trying not to poke myself in the eyeball with just a black cream gel liner. Now, never forget to curl your lashes, please. It makes the biggest difference, okay? I know I look ridiculous now. Trust the process. Is this not the prettiest eyeshadow look you've ever seen? I'm going to give you my review while I'm curling my lashes, because why not? My review is this is fantastic. I love everything about it. I'm so glad I got it. I nearly didn't, but I am so glad that I did end up getting it. I just seem to love everything that Glaminatrix Cosmetics comes out with. The mattes blend beautifully and you can build them up, which I love because I do just really love wearable looks at the moment. So I don't want to go in with too many crazy colors. So having shadows like this that do seem a bit intense, but I can put them on softly, I love that. The shimmers are gorgeous. I will say I prefer this palette, the Nelly Neutral palette, much more than the You Beauty palette, but I still love this palette. This is still adorable. And the little animals on the back kill me. I was not expecting this. I've never seen this picture anywhere on their social media, and I think it's so cute. This should have been the front. I don't know, maybe, unpopular opinion, possibly, this should have been the front picture because it's just adorable. All right, let's put our mascara on. Okay guys, please try out this look. You have to try it out. and please tag me with your photos of this look because it is gorgeous. You have to try it for yourself. Or you could just grab some similar colors if you don't have this palette and play around with us to get a similar look. Oh, also, if you do miss out on this palette, check their single shadows because they may still have some of their single shadows in stock. So for example, this Flaming Galar color, you may be like, I need that. I think you can still buy it by itself, which is good. Flaming Galar, I think, is my favorite shade in the palette. I love shifty, sparkly shades. They're my favorite. All right, and that's it. We are done. This is the finished look. Of course, I'm not gonna do my hair. Let me zoom you in so you can see how beautiful this eyeshadow is. Just excuse my hair, okay? We don't have time for hair today. So thank you guys so much for watching today. I love you and I hope you have a wonderful day today. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.